Welcome to our new and totally free photography course. So to celebrate 12 years in education and over 20 years in professional photography, we've completely refilmed and remastered our Introduction to Photography course. It includes great new chapters, new photography examples with clear explanations, graphics and information. And this course was the benchmark for learning photography 12 years ago. And now I've made it even better and it's totally free. There's no sign-up required for you to watch the course. There are 10 solid chapters with tons of extra information on each page, and you can watch them all right away. All you have to do is click play. This is a thorough and in-depth course for anyone new to photography or anyone wanting to brush up on their skills. This course is far more advanced and in-depth than any other starter course out there, and it's totally free. So if you want to brush up your skills or you have friends starting out in photography, then the link is below. Or you just need to head to karltayloreducation.com/free-photography-course. The course is broken down into easy to understand sections that are designed around my tried and tested 6 essentials to understanding photography. And I teach you how to easily master your camera in manual mode and produce great results with any camera. I have in-depth explanations on exposure and the basics on items such as focus, but also covering in-depth techniques for long exposures, panning, landscapes, portraits, color balance, fast and slow shutter speeds, as well as great examples for understanding depth of field, apertures, understanding light, and how to put all of these things into practice with a number of great real-world examples to help you shoot better pictures. I also show you the fundamentals of how DSLRs and mirrorless cameras work. And we even take a look at various camera formats and their capabilities. Lenses are also covered with great explanations, and I explain file formats including RAW versus JPEG, and we look at megapixels, camera formats and ISO. Another great new chapter is composition, where I demonstrate a variety of compositional theories and I give you my thoughts as a professional photographer on which of these are best to use. We've also created a 90-page ebook to accompany the course, and that's free too. You just need to join our mailing list if you want that ebook, but you don't need to join our mailing list to watch the course. You can do that right away without any restrictions or any advertising. Now, the accompanying ebook is incredible. It's an in-depth, standalone guide that's 90 pages long and is packed with great illustrations and diagrams, and we've added a section of useful highlights that you can print out and put in your camera bag. I'm sure a few of you are asking, well, what's the catch? Why would you give away something so awesome for free? And it's a good question. So here's the answer. We've done it for several reasons. The first is simply to celebrate 12 years of providing the very best photography education, and we decided it would be great to give something back. The second thing is we believe it's good for business. It lets people see what we're about and what it's like to learn with Karl Taylor Education and to experience the quality of what we produce and how we make learning simple by combining the most valuable information with great entertainment. And finally, we thought that this would be good for the industry and the art of photography as a whole. Recently, we've been seeing and hearing endless stories about slowing camera sales, a lack of interest in the subject, or people just not engaging with photography as much as they used to. So we thought, what better way to help people develop their passion for photography than giving them those key skills and setting them on the right path to success. After all, if we can keep people's passion for photography alive, then it's better for the camera manufacturers, it's better for the associated photography brands, and it's better for us too. So I really hope you enjoy the free course. The team and I have put a lot of work into it, and we made it for you, and we're sure you're going to love it. So please share this video and tell your friends so everyone can discover this new free course and enjoy it too.